When you get a letter from the IRS, it can be confusing exactly why they are contacting you. If you get a notice CP 2000 or a notice CP 11, the IRS has information which leads them to propose changes to parts of your tax return. You can respond to this notice as outlined in the Tax Help website under IRS Notices, Math Errors. However, this is not an audit. An audit is when the IRS questions you and examines your books and records about your return. They could audit you by mail, in their office, or in your home or business. There are essentially four parts of an IRS audit. The IRS notifies you of the audit. The IRS asks you questions and investigates you. You respond, and the audit is closed. The IRS notifies you of an audit with the various letters and forms shown in the IRS Notices section of the Tax Help Audit website. Within this notice, or an attached Form 4564 or Form 886A, the IRS asks you questions about your return. Look carefully at what they are asking you. Some of the questions will be broad and general. They will usually ask for your bank statements, your credit card statements, and your accounting software. These requests will be answered by you when you put together the key documents file of Action Step 3, creating your 5 critical files. But the IRS will also ask you questions about specific lines or categories of your returns. For these questions, please see the Action Steps Step 5, Tax Help Prep Steps. Find the specific form or schedule of your return the IRS is questioning and the Tax Help page for that form. Then find the specific category of that form being questioned and follow the Tax Help Prep steps to compile the correct evidence to win your case. The secret to winning against the IRS is thorough and complete preparation. You must have properly prepared files or the IRS won't look at your evidence. In addition to gathering your invoices and payments, there are many other documents you must gather for the IRS to review. The prep steps in Action Step 5 will show you the details. After you have put together your files, you will give your evidence to the IRS by mail, in their office, or at your home or business. Don't worry, you will be ready. Then after the audit, the IRS could ask you for more information. They could accept your return with no changes, or they could send you a Form 4549 outlining proposed changes to your return. It will take you time to prepare for your audit, but the Tax Help program shows you exactly what to do and say at every stage of the proceeding. Just follow each step carefully and completely, and you will be prepared for the IRS. But if you have any questions, please call Tax Help for advice.